name is Maximilian Giel. I'm a Switzerland-based outdoor and adventure photographer and filmmaker, and I'm also a Suunto Ambassador, and that's why I've been able to test the new Suunto Vertical since a couple of weeks before the release, and that's why I'm here for. I want to tell you a little bit about what to expect from the new watch, if you should upgrade, what my experiences are with this new watch, and an all-over expression. And that's why I'm making this video, because I think it might be pretty interesting. And if you're keen to see more of this kind of stuff, also techniques for photography and all this kind of stuff, I just remind you now, it's free to subscribe to this channel. So yeah, highly recommend that and would be really happy about that, because this helps me a lot creating more incredible content just for you. So after this, let's dive into this new watch. It's after the Suunto 9 Peak and Suunto 9 Peak Pro, a new watch which is a little bit bigger. And I know that a lot of people have been using the Suunto Ambassador 3 Peak since 10 years plus, and they're super happy. They didn't upgrade to the Suunto 9 or the 9 Peak and all these other models, and I think now it's their time to think about an upgrade, because if you take this new watch, it's just it's night and day compared to the Ambassador 3 Peak. So you have an ultra sharp, really nice big display where you can see everything. You have an absolutely incredible battery life, where you can track up to 60 hours in perfect GPS mode. And if you just lower the GPS accuracy all the way down to the lowest one, you can track over 400 hours all the way. So I mean, this is just absolutely mind-blowing. Also, the GPS accuracy has improved a lot. So now we have dual band GPS in this little watch, and there's the one feature that I think a lot of people of you have waiting for ages for this, and this is the offline maps you can put on the watch, so you can always check are there side tracks on your watch and all this kind of stuff. It comes really handy. You can download it via the Suunto app, and you will connect the watch directly to your Wi-Fi at home, and then you can just download it straight to your map, and so you'll never get lost again. So I think that's really, really cool. And then there's another feature which is really good if it's out there sunny or a little bit overcast. You have now a solar panel inside the watch, and this gives you up to 30% of additional battery life, which is really, really cool. I mean, the battery life is already incredible, and yeah, you can get up to 30% more with charging via the solar power. And yeah, I think that's a really, really cool feature. Then another side effect, if you have the Suunto 9 Peak Pro, it will be the same battery charging cable that you have already from the old watch, or old watch, it's not an old watch. And there's another really cool thing, the wristbands, which actually are on the Suunto 9 Peak Pro, will actually work also on this new watch. And yeah, the all-over design, you have some three classic buttons from Suunto, which has a really nice trigger point, I think. And the menu is basically the same that you had before. Always super easy, and yeah, not too much specs and yeah, overwhelming informations on the screen. I really personally like that, but I know there are people which like a little bit more this kind of detailed screen. But yeah, I'm really loving this design that I got from Suunto. And yeah, I think that's basically what I can tell you about this new watch. I still think Suunto does it really cool in terms of not bringing out a new watch every 2 weeks, but waiting for a couple of months and then really bringing an absolutely incredible product. And that's what they did with this product. So I can just say cheers Suunto. I really like the new watch, and I can highly recommend. It's just the size can be the main factor which makes you decide which watch you want to buy. So if you have really slim wrists, maybe you better go for the Suunto 9 Peak Pro, which is still an absolute incredible watch. The battery life is incredible, the form factor is really nice. You can wear it for dinner and it looks really sleek and elegant. But if it fits for you and you want the full power of all functions you can get from Suunto, then I definitely recommend go for the Suunto Vertical. You won't regret it, and I'm totally sure that you will have like fun with this one and be happy to have it on your wrist for the next 10 plus years. So yeah, I hope this was helpful for you. I will show you now a couple of clips where I've been out with this watch so far. And if you have any questions regarding the watch, just let me know down in the comments. Yeah, as I told you before, I would be really happy if you like the content, if you subscribed and turn the bell on. It's totally free, but it helps me. And yeah, if you do so, I will see you in the next video, and I wish you now a wonderful day. Cheers.